Realme just dropped a bomb on the smartphone market. This is the Realme Neo8, and it's basically a gaming handheld disguised as a phone. We're talking about the world's first 8,000 mAh battery in a chassis this slim, the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, and a screen that hits a record-breaking 6,500 nits. But the real kicker? It has a dedicated PC handheld mode that runs Steam games. Today, we're doing deep dive into why this might be the most overkill phone of 2026. Let's talk power. The Neo8 is one of the first to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Built on a 3nm process, it's not just fast, it's efficient. Realme is pairing this with up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. But here is the world first, PC handheld mode. Realme claims you can play over 50 popular PC titles, like Hollow Knight and Dave the Diver, locally on this device. They've even integrated a Steam-like interface. To keep it cool, there's an upgraded airflow vapor chamber system and a Geek performance panel where you can manually adjust CPU and GPU clock speeds. This isn't a phone, it's a pocket console. Flip it over, and you're looking at a 6.78-inch Samsung M14 AMOLED Sky screen. Refresh rate, 165 Hz. Most flagships are still stuck at 120 or 144. Brightness, a local peak of 6,500 nits. You could use this as a flashlight in the desert. Durability, it's protected by crystal armor glass, and surprisingly, features an IP69 rating. That means it can survive high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. The design is bold. The cyber purple colorway has a semi-transparent back and an awakening halo RGB ring that pulses for notifications, music, and in-game kills. It's definitely not for the minimalist crowd. The headline feature, the 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. Usually a battery this big makes a phone look like a brick, but Realme used high-density silicon anode tech to keep the phone at just 8.3mm thick. It supports 80-watt SuperVOOC charging. While it's not the 240 watts we've seen before, 80 watts is a calculated choice to preserve the battery lifespan, which Realme claims will last 5 years before significant degradation. Plus, it supports bypass charging, so you can power the phone directly from the wall while gaming without heating up the battery. Surprisingly, they didn't ignore the cameras. Main camera, 50-megapixel Sony IMX896 with OIS. Periscope, 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 lens with 3.5x optical and up to 120x digital zoom. It's the most versatile camera we've seen in the Neo series. Software-wise, it's running Realme UI 7.0, Android 16. They are promising 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. It also packs an ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor that works even if your hands are wet, a huge upgrade over the optical sensors in this price bracket. So the cost? In China, it starts at roughly $348 for the 12GB RAM 256GB storage base model. For a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 phone with an 8,000 mAh battery and a 165Hz screen, that is absolute insanity. If you are a mobile gamer or someone who never wants to carry a power bank again, the Neo8 is the new benchmark. We're still waiting on global release dates, but if this hits the international market at this price, it's game over for the competition. What do you think? Is 8,000 mAh too much, or exactly what you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments. I'm Teletech, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.